Hello. In this short video we're gonna show you how to create a participation code specially for your team members, for your partners on Fractal, and then you can help your team to complete the Fractal or subscription payment. So Fractal button, then participation code on the menu, as you can see. Then on the page of the website you have a space to enter the amount your partner needs. For example, let's see, 419.25. okay, just for the example. Then you click on order button on the right side, and you can use the payment, normal payment by transfer or bonus exchange. In this bonus exchange you have different options. If you have GIG pack 2.0 and you have credit there, you can use it, okay, to create this participation code. Before, copy the number of your package and the code of your package, and then you select the amount you have there. If you don't have in the GIG 2.0, you can use any other bonus now from your resource. Okay, in this case we're gonna use 17.81 on leadership bonus. Sure, is not enough, as you can see, and we're gonna use the cluster bonus to add the additional part of the bonus to create the participation code. In this example, how much we need? So 411 euros point 34. Then click on the button on the right side, and as you can see, now the full amount is fulfilled, okay, and the yellow bar is complete, and the button exchange for bonus is activated, so you can click there. After that you come back to Fractal on the menu, participation code on the same menu, and on the website you have your Fractal participation code, and you will see the list, and on the list the last code you create. You copy the codes, number and code, and you send to your partner, and then he can use this amount to credit it and make the payment. Thank you for your time. See you soon.